everybody. Hello, welcome again to our own channel, the channel for us all. My name is Sheon Olives, if you are seeing me for the first time, and this channel is called Enjoy It All. This is a place where we learn to enjoy everything about life. You know, you enjoy your health, you enjoy your relationship, you enjoy your marriage, you enjoy your family, you enjoy your job, your business. In fact, you enjoy everything that is to be enjoyed in life. So I'd like to tell you once again, you are welcome. Okay, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. There is a point under the box which you are watching me from, written subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button. Pew! Once you click on it, you become a part of us, a part of this wonderful family that enjoys everything about life. Please, if you have subscribed before, do not press that button again, because if you do, it means you have unsubscribed, and that means you have left this family. So please, do well to stay with us. Okay, today I'll be teaching us how to make a natural drink, a drink made from natural herbs that can help our men, our husbands, last longer in bed. And men, this is also for you. It helps you to stay longer in bed. And today we'll be using 3 items. We'll be using ginger, alligator pepper, and bitter cola. Just these 3 things. And today I'm sure you'll enjoy the video. Please come along with me as we go to the kitchen. For this video we'll be needing 3 items: ginger, alligator pepper, and we will need bitter cola. Okay, so I'll simply peel off this ginger now. I'll wash it. I'll peel off this bitter cola and wash it. Then I'll show you what I'll do with this alligator pepper. By the time I open the alligator pepper, you see the seeds inside, very tiny. Okay, so when we open the alligator pepper, it comes like this. See the seed? It comes like this. Okay, so we can just take about 7 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, if the man can chew the alligator pepper, it's also fine. It's not bad. I can actually chew it too. It's a very good herb or recipe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. So I'll peel this now and wash it. I'll peel this and wash. Alright, so now I've washed my ginger and I've pieces it. I've washed my bitter cola, I've pieces it. What I usually do is that I get my little mortar and pestle to pound my alligator pepper. Okay, I pound it first before I blend. So I want my alligator pepper to be very hot, so I'll add another 7. I'll add another 7 altogether. You can make it either 14 or 15 seeds altogether. Okay, so you pound. I'll make sure I pound it very well first. After pounding, can you see it? And make sure you pound it well. The reason is because it is very tiny and my blender may not pound it well enough. I may not blend it well enough. Okay, so once I have this, what I do next now is I'm going to pour my alligator and my bitter cola and my ginger into my blender. I'll pour my alligator pepper. Okay. Then I'll add some water. This is water. I'll add some water. I don't want it to be too watery. Okay. And the next thing is for me to blend. Okay, I want to check if it is smooth enough for me. Okay, I still want to blend it a little more because I don't want to sieve my own. Okay, so when we are through blending this, all we'll do is to pour it out. Okay, so you can have it in two ways. You can either have it like this, or you put a sieve, a strainer to strain out the particles. But I prefer it this way because you can take everything raw like that. All right, so here is our drink. This is it. This is how it comes out. Tasty. Yeah, although it will be pepperish, oh, a little bit pepperish. Now, please, this is a warning. This drink is not for ulcer patients and patients with high blood pressure. Please, no ulcer patient. This is something pepperish. You know, ginger is very pepperish and alligator pepper is very pepperish. So please, anybody with BP and ulcer should not take it. So you can use this. You can take some, keep in the refrigerator, and take the rest the following day. That is if you don't want to take everything at once. Okay, thank you very much. So don't forget, anybody with high BP shouldn't take it, and anybody with ulcer should not take it. The one everybody can take, I'll prepare that for us in our next video. Thank you. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you very much for your time. Please always remember to give us a thumbs up. Remember to share, and you can always drop your questions in the comment section below. Till I see you next time. Have a wonderful time. Bye.